Module 1. Introduction to Facebook Marketing. Understanding the power of Facebook as a platform. Facebook is the world's largest social media platform, with over 2.9 billion active users. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience and promote their products and services. Facebook is a great platform for businesses because it has a large and engaged user base. It allows you to target your ads to specific demographics and interests. It offers a variety of ad formats to choose from. It provides detailed insights into your campaign performance. Exploring the benefits of using Facebook ads for businesses. Facebook ads offer a number of benefits for businesses, including increased brand awareness. Facebook ads can help you to reach new people and introduce them to your brand. More leads. Facebook ads can be used to generate leads for your business. This could involve people signing up for your email list, downloading a white paper, or registering for a webinar. More sales. Facebook ads can be used to drive sales of your products or services. This could involve people clicking on your ad and making a purchase, or visiting your store and buying something later. Improved website traffic. Facebook ads can be used to increase traffic to your website. This could lead to more leads and sales. Better customer engagement. Facebook ads can be used to engage with your existing customers and build relationships with them. This could involve sharing special offers, running contests, or providing customer support. How to use Facebook ads to turn clicks into cash. The key to using Facebook ads to turn clicks into cash is to create campaigns that are targeted at the right people and that offer a valuable incentive. Here are a few tips. Target your ads to your ideal customers. Use Facebook's targeting options to show your ads to people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Offer a valuable incentive. Give people a reason to click on your ad by offering them something of value, such as a discount, a free gift, or exclusive content. Use compelling ad copy and creative. Your ad copy and creative should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Test and optimize your campaigns. Track the results of your campaigns and make adjustments as needed to improve your performance. Turning clicks into cash. Case study. One example of how Facebook ads can be used to turn clicks into cash is the story of a small business owner who sells handmade jewelry. She used Facebook ads to reach her target audience of women aged 25-45 who are interested in fashion. She offered a 10% discount on her first purchase to anyone who clicked on her ad and made a purchase. As a result of her campaign, she was able to increase her sales by 20%. Conclusion. Facebook ads can be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience and promote their products and services. By following the tips above, you can use Facebook ads to turn clicks into cash and grow your business. Great! You've completed Module 1 of our Facebook Marketing Campaign series. Now, it's time to set the stage for Module 2. Setting up a successful Facebook marketing campaign. In Module 2, we'll cover creating a Facebook business page. Learn how to set up a business page that stands out. We'll provide tips on choosing a name, using quality images, and crafting a compelling bio. Understanding Facebook ad types. Explore image ads, video ads, carousel ads, collection ads, lead gen ads, and messenger ads. Discover when and how to use each type effectively. Choosing the right ad objective. Ensure your campaign's success by selecting the ideal ad objective. We'll guide you in aligning your goals with your audience and budget. To stay updated and not miss Module 2, make sure to subscribe.